Becky from Fine & Country, and I'm here today at the stunning 2-bed apartment in Beauchamp Avenue. Follow me and we'll take a look inside. This ground floor apartment boasts 2 reception rooms, one being the drawing room to the front of the property. With feature fireplace and bespoke cabinets, this room has much to offer. The other reception room is the snug room. This room again has bespokely fitted cabinets and library, a great place to relax in the winter months. This property offers 2 good-sized bedrooms, a family bathroom and a shower room with utility. We finished the tour in the beautifully landscaped, spacious garden, a rare opportunity for an apartment this close to town. I hope you enjoyed the video tour. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a viewing, please do contact us with the details that follow. Thank you for watching.